Linear motion in medical devices and healthcare. Linear actuators play a pivotal role in enabling precise movement and fine-tuning of various medical devices, encompassing advanced imaging technology and surgical instruments. Moreover, they are extensively employed in patient care, facilitating the smooth operation of lifts, hospital beds, and mobility aids. Given the stringent regulations governing medical equipment and the paramount importance of absolute precision, linear guide systems emerge as a crucial component in this realm. In the domain of medical imaging, linear motion components are employed to orchestrate the exact movement of various parts within sophisticated devices such as MRI and CT scanners. These systems ensure accurate positioning, thereby enhancing the quality and reliability of diagnostic images. Robotic surgery systems heavily rely on linear motion to perform intricate and complex procedures with unparalleled precision. The seamless, controlled movement made possible by linear actuators empowers surgeons to execute delicate operations with utmost accuracy and minimal invasiveness. Within patient care, linear rail systems are integrated into hospital beds, patient lifts, and mobility aids. By ensuring smooth, controlled movement, these systems contribute to more ergonomic and secure patient handling, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing overall comfort during care.